Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up paying insurance bills with Bill Pay on Bank of America. Full guide step by step clearly. To set up paying insurance bills with Bill Pay on Bank of America, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Bank of America website. Sign in to your online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Bill Pay option in the main menu. Click on Bill Pay to access the Bill Pay dashboard. Next, select Add a Bill to begin adding your insurance provider. In the search bar, type the name of your insurance company. Choose your insurance provider from the list of suggestions. Follow the prompts to enter your policy details and account number. You may need to provide the billing address associated with your insurance account. After confirming the information, select Save to add the bill. Now that your insurance bill is added, navigate back to the Bill Pay dashboard. Look for the insurance bill you've just set up. Select the bill and input the amount you wish to pay. Choose your payment date from the calendar option provided. Verify that your payment information and details are correct. Click on Pay to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment is successfully scheduled. Be sure to check your payment history to ensure everything looks accurate. Repeat these steps for any additional insurance bills you wish to set up for automatic payment. Congratulations! You've successfully set up paying your insurance bills with Bill Pay on Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.